If you want to set up voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to simply go to the phone app, and then over here go to keypad, and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial your voicemail. Now, in this case, of course, this works only if the voicemail number is set up properly. And if it is, if you can call the voicemail, just simply follow the instructions that you will hear, and you should be able to easily set it up. Now, if the voicemail number is incorrect, if the voicemail speed dial doesn't work for you, you can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and go to settings, then choose voicemail, and here we have voicemail number for all your SIMs, of course. So you can edit it over here, and the voicemail number you can get, of course, from your carrier, from your service operator, or by simply Googling, just enter the carrier's name and add voicemail number or something like that, and you should be able to easily find it. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!